In the world of precision manufacturing, quality is defined by every micron. This is Greenconn's stamping workshop. 25 high-speed presses run efficiently. Together, they form a stable and efficient production line. Each stroke is a rigorous test of material performance and tooling precision. With intelligent manufacturing at its core, the facility features automated feeding and AI vision inspection systems. These enable real-time monitoring and feedback throughout the process. Through standardized mold management and over 700 precision dies, combined with a rapid mold changeover system, we achieve efficient and flexible multi-product manufacturing. All critical dimensions are strictly controlled by digital inspection systems. This ensures product consistency and long-term stability. From structural components to precision terminals, each stamped part carries traceable inspection data and process records. Greenconn is built on precision mold design. Automation and data-driven quality define our manufacturing, providing stable and reliable support for every connection.